So one of the fastest ways to get herbal medicine to your lungs and other parts of the respiratory system is via a method called steam inhalation. This remedy can be used in cases of coughs and colds, persistent chest congestion, viral and bacterial throat infections, pneumonia, and sinus issues. The best herbs for steaming are eucalyptus, clove, rosemary, sage, lavender, oregano, and thyme. Add herbs to a bowl of hot water to steep for 10 minutes covered. Then place face over a bowl and cover your head with a towel to keep the steam in. Close your eyes and breathe in the herbal steam for 10 minutes. Repeat as much as needed.